Namaste everyone. The question is, in a row, C is positioned right at the middle of A and B. A is the 10th position from the left and B is the 9th from the right. If A and B exchange their position, A become 34th from the left. The position of C is, okay, so let's see, A and B, right? And C is position right at the middle of A and B. Okay, so right side of A will be somewhere here. C is in the middle of A and B. And what else is given? A is the 10th position from the left. So this is the left. From here, the position of A is 10th. And from the right, position of B is 9th. Okay. And when they exchange their place, like now B will be here, then C, then A. So now the A become 34th position from left. Okay. So from here what we can say? We can say that like we need to find out the midpoint between A and B, right? So as already given that from the left A is at 10th, and from the second case we can say that from the left B is at 34th position, correct? So now we have 2 points, like it is like this, we know these 2 points, this one is 10 and this is 34. We need to find the mid of these 2 points. So what we will use? The simple average thing, right? So position of C will be 10 plus 34 divided by 2. So from here we'll get 22 from left. Why from left? Because we know both of the position from the left side. Like A is the 10th from left and B is 34th from the left. So that's why the position of C will be 22 from left. So first is incorrect, second is incorrect, third will be the correct option. I hope you understood it. If you like the video, please hit a thumbs up, press the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.